A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. When you pray and ask God to do something for you, you really believe, say, I hug you. I want you to think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 11 from verse 12 to verse 25. When Jesus and him follower them left Bethany the next morning, him did hungry. Jesus see one fig tree little out from where them did there. It did cover up with leaf, so him go to see if no fig dey on it. But he never find none, cause I never fig time yet. So him said to the tree, from now on, nobody now go ever nyam fig from you again. And him follow them ear when he says so. After Jesus and him follow them reach Jerusalem, him go in a God house and start fling out all the people them where did in there a buy and sell. The people them where did a change out money, Jesus pitch over for them table and turn over the chair for all who did there a sell dove. And he wouldn't make nobody carry goods go in the yard where God house there. After this, him start teach the people. Him say, it no write down in a God word. Say, for me house, I go be one house where people from all over the world come fi pray. But uno take it turn one hideout fi thief. The head priest and the law teacher them hear what Jesus say. And them start look for one way fi kill him. Cause them did afraid of him. Cause him did a teach so good, it did shock the whole crowd of people. In the evening, Jesus and him follower them left the city. The next morning, when Jesus follower them past the fig tree, them see say dry up from the root. Peter, remember what Jesus did say to the tree. Then him say, teacher, look, the tree where you did say nobody now go ever nyam from again, it dry up. Jesus tell them say, believe in a God. Hear what me I say, and a true me attack. If nobody say to the mountain here, get up and go fling yourself in the sea. If him really believe in him heart and not start to wonder if it really a go happen, it will happen for him, for true. And that make me tell you no say, anything you pray and ask God for, believe same give you, and you will get it. So anytime you turn up for prayer, if you have nothing against nobody, you fi pardon them. That way there, you Father away in heaven, be pardon you for all the wrong where you do. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.